Hi everyone, how are you doing? David here on the Able State TV again. In today's video, I would like to show you how to practice touch typing. First of all, what is touch typing? Touch typing is the process of using the computer keyboard to input content in your computer. It's also a way of using the keyboard to control the computer. The advantages of being good at touch typing are many. If you are efficient at touch typing, you'll be able to type emails faster. You spend less time inputting code in your computer if you're a programmer. You spend less time writing blogs. You like to control your computer using the keyboard. For beginners, you easily become a computer professional. How do we get started? How do we practice it, especially for beginners? Though I've said especially for beginners, even long-term computer users who feel uncomfortable with their touch typing skills can start to practice right away. If you want to practice touch typing, we recommend edclub.com website. At edclub, you are able to practice with 685 modules for free. If you want to get a certification and to complete all the modules and even do more modules, you can pay, and it's cheaper than many other options. At Able State, it's a requirement for every new student to practice touch typing at edclub.com. We have two training programs: the Able Citizen, which transforms people into professional computer operators or users, and the Able Solver, which transforms people into full-stack software developers. For both, the first thing they do is to practice touch typing because it makes it very easy for them to complete the course. Let's dive in. You will open the browser and go to the website called edclub.com. If you're a new member, click sign up. If you're an old member, click login. I'll click sign up for now. I'll choose individual edition among the options presented to me. I'll start typing my names, and I'll provide the username that I want. For example, I can put David Wampamba, and I'll choose the password. I'll choose the password suggested to me by Password Generator. I've just opened up a free account on edclub. You can see here there is a notification for me to upgrade to premium. Right here at the top right, there's my name and an arrow facing down. If I click it, I can go and edit my profile. You can say I can add my email, I can add my time zone. For example, I'm in Africa, so I'll look for Africa, Kampala. I can leave the rest as is and click Save Changes. The other thing I can do here is to change the password, to add the billing information if I want to be a premium member, or log out. The other thing that I will do is to go to Home and start practicing. For free members, there is typing Django, so I'll click start, and you can see that everything seems to be locked, but as I go completing one, they'll unlock those that are not premium. And if we go at the very end of the course, you can see that the last one is 685. It's not advised to skip lessons, so I'll go to the first lesson and click start. What will happen is that edclub will give me a video that I can watch, understand what I'm going to do, but I already know this. I would like to skip, then I'll be given lesson 1. So with lesson 1, I'll be told what to do. So you see, you have to look at the screen as you type. So I'll press enter, and then I'll start to do this. If I type a wrong letter, it will be highlighted red, and the more I type wrong, the more I don't progress. You have to make sure you don't rush into the program. Just seek accuracy against being fast. So I'll do this and this like that. So at the beginning you type letters, but like I'm going to show you, you type sentences and paragraphs. You also be given more letters to type. Our emphasis is for you to set aside at least 20 minutes every day to practice touch typing. That way, if you're a new student at Able State, you find it very easy to graduate. Without completing the touch typing, you cannot graduate. This may seem a little bit hard, but I can assure you, young people, people who are new to computer, have done this in less than 60 days. What happens with the touch typing is that it has a way it scores depending on how fast you've been, how accurate you've been, and it will tell you how many words you've typed in a session, what time have you taken, what was required. And like you can see here, let me try to zoom in. Like you can see here, I was required to a minimum of 3 words per minute or 10 as a maximum, but I've been able to do 24 words per minute in a period of 39 seconds. That is what you're gonna have to do to enjoy this and finish it faster. The system will keep introducing you to new keys, and like that, just keep momentum. In fact, I emphasize this even for people who have been typing on the computer for long. It helps you improve at the letters that you've been poor. It also helps you improve your concentration levels. I'll go back to lessons and go down a bit to show you that you'll be required to practice the left hand, the right hand, until when you can be able to type paragraphs. This is an example of a paragraph, so you would have to make sure that you type faster and accurately for you to score the right mark that they want. Each red that you see is a wrong key pressed, so make sure you concentrate, make sure you practice this in a silent place and where no one can disturb you. And the more you type, the more you get the good results and the progress to the next session. For example, for Able State students, we encourage them to do this every day, and they send the results of the last module on our email. So you do this every day until when you complete it. Every day that you complete, make sure you log out. You don't want other people to play in your account. So go here where you see your name and click log out. If you let someone else log in and type for you, you are doing yourself a disservice. Yet if you want to succeed in a technology career, touch typing is a core skill. So how do we log in back if we were returning members? So we would click login and click in video. Then for me, I'm lucky that my password was saved, but if it wasn't saved, you would type your username and your password. It has brought the correct one, and it shows you that my current score is 9,000 and stars are 10. So I click start again and then continue from where I stopped. For me, I stopped here, but that's not right because I skipped so many. I would encourage you not to get into the habit of skipping. The other things that I would like to show you are the progress. So you can see that it's a 1% progress, 10 stars, 9,000 points. You can also see your stats here by clicking stats and see your accuracy and coverage. So they show that I have a 97 accuracy, I have a 23% coverage. You can see the overall speed is 36 words per minute, and the symbols is 52 words per minute. Lowercase alphabet is 32 words per minute. So these are all important things for you to see and improve. I've met many people who are video editors, coders, computer networking professionals who are very poor at touch typing, but that's not good. If you improve, one of the things that can give you an extra income is copywriting and technical writing, blogging as well. So if you are not good at typing, you may not benefit. So those are the stats, very many. You can even see how your fingers are performing, like the pinky from the left hand and the pinky from the right hand. That's how mine have performed. You can also go and see the badges that you have. So every time you type fast and beat the maximums of the session, you'll be given a badge. So for now, I have a Fast and Furious badge. So you can click home to go back. Here you can change the language if you want. So choose the language that is appropriate for you. By default, I think depending on location or depending on the keyboard of your computer, they choose the language. So for me, they have chosen English US, and I'm pretty fine with it. That's it. I wish you good luck. See you soon. Bye-bye.